Containers make for an interesting debugging experience. Long gone are the days of SSHing into a running server and tailing a log file. In large-scale Docker deployments that use a scheduler to dynamically place Docker containers, you don't always know where your containers are running. Fortunately, Docker allows you to configure application logging to output to central logging systems like FluentD or Splunk. If you do have access to your Docker host, there are a number of ways you can debug your container, and we'll discuss those in this chapter. The first way is to simply see which containers are running. We've used the docker ps command numerous times already. This just lists all the running containers, and as you can see, I have the Nginx web server running. Stopped containers do not show up in this output. To show any stopped containers, just run docker ps-a. And we now see both our running Nginx container and a stopped MySQL container. Another useful flag for docker ps is -l, which will show the last run Docker container. Let's start up a Redis container in the background and test it out. And now with docker ps-l, the only container we see is Redis because it was the last one that we started. Easy enough. What if we want to see the output of our Redis container? We can use docker logs to see the current logging output. And this just shows the most current logs and exits. Similar to the tail command, we can add -f to docker log